product integration verification process. Now you can read this for yourself, but I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you wanted a bit of assistance or reassurance on how to actually set up the integration. So first, step one, confirm your website. It's going to be the website you inputted when you signed up. So just make sure that that matches this one, which it does. If it doesn't, you remove it and you can add the website again if you've got a slight error or typo, or if you have a subdomain for checkouts, then also do that. So we'll just follow these step by step. Shopify integration for customer events. So open the Shopify admin, which is this page here, this whole page. Usually when you open it, it looks like this on the online store. You go to settings, then customer events. So in the bottom left is settings. And you look through here until you find customer events right here. So you open that up. Then click add custom pixel. So that will be custom pixels, and then add custom pixel right there. Set pixel name to Evroys affiliate pixel. So you copy that, paste that, or you can type it in, whatever floats your boat. Remove that. That is not necessary, you don't have to do that. You make sure to enable permissions for marketing and analytics. So go to permissions. They usually are always checked, but just make sure. And then you paste the code below into the custom code box, then click save and connect. I'm not going to go through how this code works. There are documents and tips on how the code works for you to read in your own time. So you just come here, click that button to copy the pixel, go to the custom pixel, and you just copy and paste it into there, like that. And then what we need to do is click save and connect once it's been copied in. So save and then connect. So now the pixel is connected. You will want to click the test button next to the more actions button to get it into the test mode so you can properly do a checkout. So click test and you should get a small tab like this to know that you're in the test function. So now we're on to step 3, verifying the integration. So before you start, you want to enable test payments. This is called bogus gateway. And here is a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So we'll go through that right now. So step 1, go to Shopify admin, which is this page again. We will go to settings and then payments. Scroll to payment providers section. That is right here. And click manage next to your payment provider. Now you want to click this button, see all other providers. If this button isn't there, then you want to follow these steps and click manage if that shows up. But because I'm doing a test website to show the integration, it might not be displayed the exact same way. Now, just so you know, when you do put on the test sales, all sales on products will be tests. So you can schedule a downtime for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's all this integration takes to make sure that no one buys the product, or do it at a time where no one tends to buy products. So do that at your own discrepancy. And then you want to click this button and If you have to search for it, search bogus gateway, but for me it's right here. Click it and then click activate. That will turn on the fake sales. So in the payments, just make sure it's active so you can see it's for testing. And if you have any questions about bogus gateway, then this is a link to Shopify's official guide to test orders, and it goes through how bogus gateway works. Finally, we have the verification step now that the bogus gateway is implemented. We want to get our test tracking code. So select your product below and click get/refresh to generate a unique probe code. This code acts like a real affiliate link, but only for testing. So you want to come down here. Make sure if this isn't your first product you've added, make sure that you are in the right product for testing right now, in which case I am. And then you want to come down here and click get/refresh. Now you'll get a pop-up in the top right to tell you it's ready, but also it will show you the probe code. This is for verifications, and it will say the status is pending. When this is verified, the product is verified. And as you can see, every single SKU I put in earlier is not verified. You need to verify every single variant. And if there's any errors, like you mistyped one or you missed out a SKU and it was present in the basket or not present in the basket, it will tell you which ones were incorrect or not in the basket. And then you come here, click edit SKU, and you can change it, put it back, and then try it again. So now step 2, open product with probe code. So enter product page URL below, then click open product with probe code. This simulates a customer arriving via an affiliate link. So what that means is you scroll down to here. Once you've gotten your probe code into this, your product page URL. Now this isn't the landing page, but the actual product you are integrating. So you want to click on the product, just move this out of the way, and grab the URL like that. Okay, so now that the link has been added, you want to open the product with probe code and click this button. This will send you to the integration page with the probe reference at the top to show it's a test checkout. Now let's go to step 3. Add all variants to cart. If your product has multiple variants, sizes, colors, etc., you must add every single one to your cart during this test. So we will add this, premium, pro standard, pro premium, enterprise standard, enterprise premium. You want to make sure you add every single one, so the number in the cart should be the same number of variants the product has. Then for step 4, complete checkout using test payment. Proceed to checkout and select bogus gateway as the payment method. Use the test card number 1, just the number 1, to complete the fake purchase. So what you want to do is check out and then fill in all of this information here. So contact. Okay, so now that that's done, the card number should definitely be the number 1. The expiration date can be any date from after the time you're implementing the integration. Security code can be whatever, and then put test. For billing address, you can do any address with any name. It just has to be a real address to make sure that the payment goes through. And then you click Pay Now. So I clicked the Pay Now button, and I am now in the thank you page where it shows all the products that I put into the basket being sold. And what you want to do once you've done this is come back to Evroy and then do step 6, verify with Evroy. After you see the order confirmation page, return here and click verify integration below. Evroy will check that your pixel correctly captured the test transaction. So you come down here, click this button, and as you see, every SKU has been verified in the checkout. If this hasn't happened for you, there should be a little error down here telling you why they weren't all verified and allow you to edit it. put the new SKU back in, just check it on your website, and then you don't have to go through the entire process again with every single product. The ones that have already been verified do not need to go into your basket again. Just the ones that weren't verified, you'll need to check out of those again until they're all verified. And if they still aren't and you're not sure what the issue is, just contact support down here and we can send a team member to help you integrate it. The product has been verified. You want to come back into your Shopify admin page and go to the Payments tab in Settings. Click it and make sure to switch your Shopify payments back to what they were before the integration test to make sure that you start getting sales again. You don't want to keep the testing gateway open. So it's been verified, integration verified successfully. You can now activate this product in the vendor dashboard. So what I do is just go back to the dashboard. I come down here. As you can see, my product is now verified before it was pending. Shows every SKU, all the prices, the category, and then this is also a link to your product without any probe codes or affiliate referrals. And now you just click activate and the product is now available for affiliates to promote. And that is the integration step.